Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Krishna. So this video series is related to Angular e-commerce project. If you have not watched our previous videos, you can go back to my channel and watch Angular project series so that you can have a good idea on what the project is about. And in our previous video, we have seen how to create a mat toolbar. And in this video, we are going to see how to do routing in Angular and how to go to login component when user clicks on this login, and we will see how to create reactive forms, and we will create a sign up screen using reactive forms. And let's start our tutorial. Now we will create a component called login by using command ng generate component login. So you can see here our component got generated, and here we don't need a spec.ts file. So if you don't need a spec.ts file, you can write like this: and generate component name spec as false. If you write your command like this, then it will not generate a spec file. So let's go to login component here. You can see here. Now we will go to routing module.ts, and we will create a route here. So we are going to create a route here by using an object which has a properties path. For path, I am going to give login. If the path is login, then we have to go to component named login. So it's get automatically imported like this. Now we will move to app component.ts, sorry, app component.html, and on button click, if user clicks on login, then we have to go to login component. Now we will create a method here. Go to login. So I'm explaining you from scratch. So these are all basics for anyone who is experienced in Angular. So you can see here, whenever user clicks on that button, this method will be get called. Now we have to use constructor. We have to import route here, router. We have to import this router in order to navigate to other components in Angular. Now we will use this router. So we are navigating to other component by using URL. So this is one of the method to navigate to other components. So we will see whether it's working or not. So this will not work. You can see here. it's going to that component, but it is not working here. It's not showing the login. The HTML we have login works, but it's not showing login works. This is because we are not using a router outlet here. So router outlet is used to navigate to other components. I'm using mat card, and in that I'm going to use router outlet here. So let's see whether it's working or not. Now you can see here I have used this router outlet, and we will open the browser and check whether it's working or not. We are using mat card, so it's showing like this. You can see here we are getting login works, so we can say it's working. So the most important thing is we have to use router outlet in order to navigate to other components. So this is the end of our tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will see how to use reactive forms, and we will create a form called sign up and sign in by using template driven forms and reactive forms. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Technical Adda.